Crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. And what does that even mean for you? That just means that my subscribers will send in an envelope with a few different scraps and things from maybe something they've been creating to just some things that are laying around their desk. And then I have 10 minutes to put that into a card. I stamp the back with my information and mail it back to that person that sent in the scraps. So it's just a really fun way to interact with you guys, and everyone seems to be enjoying this series because this is number 138. Now, not only have I been doing these 10-minute cards 138 times, but I also have 5-minute cards. So if you're into watching this and you want to do a binge watch, check that out on my channel. You'll be able to see 5-minute cards as well. So these are from Tracy Myers, and we're going to pull out and see what she sent me. And then I'm going to get to making a card. So cool. Lots of different fall colors. That's really cute. Neat stuff that she's got in here. Okay, I've got my timer set for 10 minutes, so we are going to get started. I've already pre-cut my card base to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so I'm ready to roll. This is adorable. Look at that. Like instant card. You sent me such easy stuff. I love it. Look at that. Was even the center. Like a cutout piece there. That's amazing. This is so cute. I love that. These must be rub-ons or something you put on here. It looks beautiful. Alright, let's see what else I want to add to this. There's a nice little white banner that a sentiment could go on. We've got some purple. I love this fall paper. This is amazing. I don't think I'm going to have to add too much stuff to this because it's just turning out so well already. And look at the little brown ones. That could be another little sentiment. I love the brown. Maybe the brown with the white would look really cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to use wet glue today. I was going to grab my ATG, but let's go ahead and use wet glue. Oop. Already knocking stuff off my desk. It's been a strange day for me. Wow, and why is my glue not coming out? I got up this morning and I was up for like an hour and I just had this overwhelming urge to go back to bed. Which doesn't normally happen to me. But I was just like, man, I'm so tired. So I went back to bed. I slept for like 5 hours. I wasted like the whole day. I know some of you guys are going to say, oh, well, that's not wasting it. Well, when it's your day to play, this is my, like, Mondays are my play day. But I thought, that's okay. I'll get some of these guys put out. I'm going to pop this guy up because that's going to look really cool popped. But I'm going to want to put something on there. I'm just not sure what yet. A lot of my stuff is within reach. Some of it's not. But I really think that you tend to use more of the stuff that you can see. Hence why a lot of people use see-through clear bins, stuff like that, or all those IKEA things. I would love to have the IKEA setup. As in my background, you can sometimes see I just have random hodgepodge furniture and stuff that I got. I think I'm going to put this off to the side so you can see a little bit of, well, I don't know if people realize that I did that on purpose. We'll just pop it in there. I'm a little bit off, but we're going to put it down. I don't want to mess with it again. Oh, you know what? Can I get that back up? I have an idea. Come on now. Oh, good. Okay. I'm going to do some ink around here. Let's try vintage photo. That'll work. We'll just give this a little bit of an outline so it pops a little bit more. That'll help. This this is not the one I want to put my sentiment on. I want to put the sentiment on one across the bottom. So there we go. Oh, that looks much better. That really stands out now. Cool. Now we're going to want to put a little sentiment here. I have no idea what. But I'm going to have to trim this. I want to put it inside that brown one, and right now it's just too wide. Perfect. And if I get to the end of this and I don't have time to do it, well then Tracy can do one. She can choose what she wants to put on there. That looks really cute. I need a focal image now, and since I don't have one, I'll have to like create one. So I'm thinking like, couldn't we make like a flower out of this fall paper? That would be really cute. Oh, this will work. Then I'll have to look for a piece of bling or something to put on here. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of give this a little bit of roll up. It's going to probably go flat when I ship it, but for right now, I think I could fit all three of them on there. And maybe something in the middle. Oh. No, those are just too big. We have some good colors on here. Yeah, let's use those. Glue. Where did I throw my glue? Is it sitting right in front of me? I am the best person at losing stuff, I swear. There it is. So let's go ahead and put these flowers on. And then I'm going to put these little guys. These little, like, little peachy ones, kind of. Let's go ahead and put those in the middle. Oh, how cute. That looks spectacular. It, like, brings in the tans and stuff from the outside card. Yes! Adorable. I don't know that I have a fall sentiment. I might have to do, like, just a simple hello or something. There we go. How about to cheer you? That's a good sentiment for this time of day, this time in our lives. To cheer you. And we're just going to do that in a black. Nice. Glue these two together. glue that down. Oh, cute. So cute is this. I think that we should put some flowers on the inside to match it. It's getting sticky. There you go. Oop. And I'm not going to put on the gems because I don't want to distort the card in mailing. But I'm just going to put a couple of these across the bottom because that way that will bring the outside and the inside of the card together. Nope, I'm not able to move that one. I didn't do a very good job spacing. Pretty close. Handmade card. Won't nobody'll notice. And is that it? Is that? Yeah, that's it. That's all the time we have. So there we go. We've got this really cute background that she made. Look at all that pretty shimmer. A little to cheer you tag with some great looking flowers from that pretty fall paper. And then some on the inside to just continue that pattern. So fun. Thank you so much, Tracy, for sending your stuff in. I will pop my information on the back of this card and mail it to you. And if you guys want to get in on this, all you have to do is join our group on Facebook. It's called Koala Tea Crafts. And we are on Facebook. It's a non-drama, non-commitment group just for inspiration. And if you want more, check out more videos on my channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys next video.